Having trouble accessing your Apple ID or iCloud on your iPhone can be super frustrating, and it might be caused by a variety of things like network problems, restrictions, or even some software glitches. Don't worry though, in this video, I'll walk you through how to fix this issue on your iPhone. Let's dive in and get started right away. Solution 1. Check your Wi-Fi connection. First, open any browser and go to fast.com to check how fast your internet connection is. If your internet is slow, try turning on airplane mode, wait a few seconds, and then turn it off again. You'll also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. Another thing you can try is moving closer to your Wi-Fi router to improve the connection. Solution 2. Check for restrictions. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Then scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Scroll down again and then tap Accounts under the Allow Changes section. Choose Allow here. After that, restart your iPhone. Finally, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Update iOS. Open Settings, tap General, then select Software Update. If there's an update available, simply tap Download and install to get the latest version. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset all settings. Next, enter your passcode when prompted. Now tap Reset all settings to confirm. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Can't access Apple ID or iCloud issue on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.